Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing or recording the audio you want to fix, and make a backup copy named raw so nothing is lost. Once done, solo the noisy track so you only hear that source, and lower playback volume to about 0-30% when scrutinizing noise. Now open the mix editor and reveal the effects rack. This is where you'll apply noise reduction and equalization. Make sure you're on a clean section with no intentional sound to sample background noise. Next, add the noise gate or denoise effect in the effects rack and insert it before any EQ so processing is cleaner. You'll lower the threshold until silence eliminates the background hiss, but keeps voice or instruments intact. Small, incremental moves preserve tone. Then add a low-cut filter around 60 to 120 Hz to remove rumble or mic handling noise without thinning the sound. Finally, use the wet/dry mix to blend reduction naturally so it doesn't sound processed. To finish, add a parametric EQ to notch out any persistent hums and gently boost presence around 3 to 6 kHz to restore clarity. Always flip a /B between your processed track and the raw copy to confirm you haven't removed desired detail, then render or export when satisfied. If you hear artifacts or pumping, lower the noise reduction intensity, widen attack/release times, or resample a cleaner noise profile from a longer silent section. This usually fixes common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.